Ever wondered how to make the perfect banana cake at home? Well, wonder no more. Today, we journey together into the world of baking to create a moist, flavorful, and utterly irresistible banana cake. First, gather all the ingredients. You'll need 3 ripe bananas. The riper, the better. Their sweetness and flavor intensify as they age. Next, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1½ cups of sugar, half a cup of softened butter, 1/4 cup of buttermilk, 3 large eggs, and a teaspoon of baking soda. Don't forget a pinch of salt and a teaspoon of pure vanilla extract to elevate those flavors. Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. While it warms, grease and flour your cake pan. This prevents your cake from sticking and allows for a clean, easy release once baked. Now, onto the mixing. Begin by mashing the bananas in a large bowl. Aim for a consistency that's smooth but with small, delicious chunks. Set this aside. In a separate bowl, cream together the softened butter and sugar. You're looking for a light, fluffy mixture. Once achieved, beat in the eggs one at a time. Incorporate the vanilla extract and then the mashed bananas. In another bowl, combine the flour, baking soda, and salt. Gradually add this dry mixture into the banana mixture, alternating with the buttermilk. Stir gently to combine, but be careful not to overmix. Overmixing can result in a dense, heavy cake. Pour the batter into your prepared cake pan. Slide it into your preheated oven and bake for about 60 to 70 minutes. A toothpick inserted into the center should come out clean when it's done. Once baked, allow the cake to cool in the pan for 10 minutes. Afterwards, transfer it to a wire rack to cool completely. And there it is. A beautiful, fragrant banana cake ready to be sliced and savored. To summarize, gather all your ingredients. Preheat your oven and prepare your cake pan. Mash the bananas. Cream the butter and sugar, then add the eggs, vanilla, and bananas. Combine your dry ingredients in a separate bowl. Gradually add the dry mixture to the banana mixture, alternating with buttermilk. Pour the batter into the pan, bake, and let it cool. The beauty of baking lies in the process as much as in the final product, so immerse yourself in the experience. Allow the sweet aroma to fill your kitchen. Listen to the gentle hum of the oven, feel the warmth of the freshly baked cake, then slice a piece, sit back, and take a bite. Revel in the moist, sweet, banana-filled bliss that is your homemade banana cake. So why not give it a go? After all, nothing beats the satisfaction of biting into a slice of cake that you've baked yourself. Eat well, move more, and be happy. Subscribe and happy baking.